So, and then I'll the post. Welcome, guys. So today we are going to be talking about this amazing script. This bank website, online banking website that looks like an app on the dashboard interface. So the very first thing we are going to be observing, the very first thing we are going to be looking at is the landing page, which you can see on your screen right now. The landing page was built very professionally, and as you can see, the colors were right and it was rightly built. Let's go and inspect the login page. From the login page, we check the sign up page. From there, we go straight to the dashboard. Let's see what we have. Good. So this is what we have on our login page. This is how our login page looks like. Now we'll make it, we'll put on the mobile view. This is what we get. This is what we get for our mobile view. As you can see, this is how it looks on your phone. So you can see it is all, it's looking very well. So let's check our sign up page, register page. Let's see what we have. Okay, very good. So this is our sign up page. This is how our sign up page looks right now. As you can see, it's looking very good. So there are places you can put some different kind of information here. Yeah, so now let's go straight into our login page. Before we continue, I want to make a very important disclaimer. This video was made for educational purposes, solely educational purposes. This video was made for educational purposes, and it was not made for any other purpose apart from educational purpose. So please, so now we can continue. Let's log in to our dashboard. Let's log into our dashboard. So let's go. All right, so this is what we get when we log into our dashboard. The pin, this is the pin page, the pin.php. Let's save that. So the pin of this is 1111. As you can see, the picture of the user is already showing here. So let's go submit. Very good. As you can see, it is looking very beautiful, very amazing script. On this script you can do a lot of things. On this script you have amazing features. Now in this video we are covering everything you can use to build this online banking on your own, from how to make the logos easily with AI to how to integrate your live chats, very easy settings, easy step-to-step settings, even how to set up your SMTP on this page to make sure that your emails are sending. Yeah, so everything we are going to be doing, it's very easy, it's simplified, that will make it easy for you to navigate around the script and use it. It's basically a banking script with an app interface. It's a banking script with an app interface. Yeah. Also we can, this is the interface, this is the dashboard interface. As you can see, let's see what we have on the profile. Let's see which information we have on the profile, which information our users can see. So let's continue with this. So the account number, the account type, if it's savings or not, the email, the date of birth, the occupation, the phone number, the gender, the marital status, and so on, and also the address. So on this part you can also change the password and change the pins for your accounts. So let's go to, okay, here we can also make it dark. We can make it dark. Yeah, we can make the whole place dark, the whole interface dark, in dark mode, dark background mode. Now let's go home. Let's go to our home. Let's see what we have there. Good, very good. So if we come here, our transactions, these are where our transactions, our history, account history is being made. Here you see credit debit transactions. If there are no transactions yet, like on this one, it will show like this. But once you make a transaction, it will be arranged there. So your wire transaction is separate, your domestic transfers separate, your loans also separate, your loans transaction. So it can also act as a loan system where people can come there and actually apply for loan. So let's go home again before we go to, okay, this is support. So you can actually integrate a full live chat page here. So once you integrate your full live chat page here, or you choose to integrate your live chat page at the side of the screen or the other side, so anyone you choose to do, this place can be a full page live chat. Now on the other side you have your logout. Now let's go back to the home. Let's see our transfers. Now we have this transfer here. Once you click on it, it tells you domestic transfer or wire transfer. So if you click on domestic transfer, it takes you to where you can make your transfers. Let's say amount, let's put 10,000. Let's put 10,000. Okay, $10,000. Let's just put anything. You have Union Bank. Let's put demo user. Now that's the name of the person you are transferring to. Now beneficiary account number, let's put the random number. Account type, savings, fund description, or you can say buying, you can say purchase. Let's just say purchase. You can say purchase. So let's make the transfer. Let's see what we have. Okay, now it's asking for the OTP that has been sent to the email that I used to open this account. So let's check it now. I have the email on my phone. I'm checking it. Okay, 11:30. Oh, okay, that's it. So let's put it there. 140010. Let's submit that. Let's see what we have. Yeah, so there are deposits. You can make deposits on this. Yeah, so once you fix a wallet address here, they can use the wallet address to make deposits. You fix the wallet address from the back end. So look at it: Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and so on and so forth. The wallets, Paxful wallets, PayPal, and so on and so forth. So you set all these things from the back end. Yeah, so that's for the deposit. Now let's look at the virtual cards. Let's see how it works there also before we would visit our admin. Let's see everything here. Very good. Now I already had a test for this virtual cards, so I put all these things. But let's say we are requesting for a new card. So let's say MasterCard, request Visa, let's say travels, and let's submit requests. Thanks, your credit card is being on process. So let's check new card on progress. So they can actually request for anybody. Your users can actually request for cards with this. So let's go. So also the loan system here works. You can also request for loan here, and so on and so forth. So now let's visit our admin. So basically this is the link of this site right now. So let's see how we generate our admin link. So you put your link here, you add the slash, then you add your admin. I make my videos in very easy steps so that anybody can be able to do this thing. This is why I make my videos easy like this and explain it step by step so that anybody can be able to use this script. So let's come here, let's take our details from your admin details. So this is our admin details. I also show you how you can access your admin details, how you can change it, and so on and so forth. So let's come here, let's get this also, copy, let's log in. Very good. So this is what we have on our admin end. I hope you understand how I generated the admin link so that you can have access to your own admin also. So let's look at all our users. All right, so these are all our users here. Let's say we want to create a new account. So let's come here, create your account. You create your account from here. You start putting in your details here. When you are done putting in your details, you create accounts, create users. Then once you create your users, you come to all users. Then let's say this is the one you created. Yeah, let's say this is the one you created. You come here. When you come to all users, you click on view, you come here, you click on it to upload your picture, the picture of your user. You upload the picture here and you save. Then this is basically the details of everything. So I would I have to delete an account so that I'll be able to use the email. So let me come here so I can show you how to use it. PHP admin. Come here, users, and let me delete this one. Okay, let me delete this one. Okay, so now let's go to our dashboard, our admin dashboard, and let's create a new one. Let me reload this page. So see, okay, let me create a new page. Let me create a new account. So let's create this account now. So let's say the person's name is Andy Demo. Let me add demo to it. Andy Demo. So okay, that's first name, last name, demo. So let's see account balance. Let's put random numbers. Security, social security number. So let's put savings here. Let's put the gender. Let's say male. Address. So let's put one. Let's put random. Tower. USD. Account email. So let's see. Phone number. Can put this. Okay. Occupation, demo. You can choose any date. So this date of birth, let's say so for the codes, this is where you set your codes from, your billing code. So is for here we'll put 111 for all of them. and your pin also. So this account manager name, it does not show on your on the visa part. As you can see, everything that showed on the profile, the account manager name is not there. So let's just add anything, demo manager. Okay, so let's put our password. Let's create this user. As you can see, account created successfully. So let's come here, like I said before, all users. So this is what we just created and the demo. So we'll come here, view it. Okay, so we'll come here and upload a picture. Click here and look for a picture. I don't have pictures here right now. Let me see. Okay, let's do this man. Manage the download. So let's download the random picture. Alright, so let's come here. Let's see what we can do. Let's put this picture now. So save. So our picture is there right now, as you can see. Now we can come here. So basically, let me explain what this means. Now on the top, those are your details that you've made, your COT code, everything is there. You can see your codes from there. Now, yeah, what does it mean to put an account on active, on hold? The good thing about this script is that everything is explained here. So once you click on active, okay, once you click on active, hold or suspended, everything is here. Click for info. So once you click for info, you see that if you put an account on active, the user will be able to perform full work on the site. On hold, if you put the account on hold, the user will be able to log in but can't perform full work on, like making transfers and more. Suspended, if you put it on suspended, the user will not be able to log in and cannot be able to perform anything on the site. So that's that for that. So once you put it on active, like the site you just used to make, like the profile just to make account is on active, it can make transfers. Once you put it on hold, the person can actually, and you submit it here, the person can actually log in but cannot be able to do anything on the account. Now when you put it on suspended, the person cannot be able to even log in on the account. So for here, this is the billing codes. Billing codes means your COT code, IMF code. Do you want it to be active or do you just want it to go? I would just did the transfer just now. Do you want it to be able to ask for those codes, or you just want it to go straight like that? So if you put it on active, when you make a transfer, it will ask for these codes. So that's that for that. The admin, we have seen the bank user dashboard, we have seen the bank admin dashboard, and it has been explained. We have seen the bank transfers, and we have seen the receipts. But one more thing I want to explain to you is how to create a account history or something. So you come here, you press on credit or debit. So this is credit. Let's say, okay, you want to credit that user from, let's say, demo sender. So amounts, let's put 10. Let's put 130k. All right, the description, that's why are you making transfers? So this one now is the time of the transfer. So let's click anything. So now let's credit the user. Approved successfully. So what you find here is that you see it on your dashboard. So now this account I just created, let us log in. Let's log in this account. So for this one, we can actually log out now. Let's log out of this so that we can log in our new account that we just created. This is it. So this is the account number automatically generated. So copy and log in. So let's log in. Can save this. The code, the pin is 1111. As you can see, the picture is showing very well here. So let's submit. So this was the balance that we put on when we're creating the account. Now let's see if our transaction is showing here, credit or debit transactions. Let's see. Very good. This one we just made now, 130,000 is showing here. So we have seen how the transfers work and every other thing. So I think now it's time to go into how we are going to build this site from the scratch. How we are going to build it from the scratch. That now it's time to go into that. Let's come here. So we are going to log out of this now. I'm going to go to our cPanel to be able to build this. So let's close this tab, close this tab, close this tab, close this tab, and come here. So for you might just be buying the cPanel for the very first time, so you have to go to your public HTML directly. But for me, I've created a subdomain for this particular. So once you go to your public HTML, it might look like this, probably with this CGI bin and maybe your Namecheap packing page and stuff like that. Just a few things there. But the very first thing you have to do is to upload. Now I always break my site into three. First of all, you upload everything you have to upload. You create your database and you connect your database. Like when you build this kind of website, it has been broken down to that kind of to those easy steps so that you understand. Now first of all, you upload what you have to upload. You upload your files. So I'll be uploading this file, and at the end of the video I'll be telling you how to get access to this file. So the very first thing we have to do is to go to so the name of this script is app 1, like application 1. So let's upload it. Let's see what we have. So let's come here. Next thing we extract. That's more like unzipping, because right now it's a zip file. So right now we are unzipping it, extracting everything. So yeah, so we just unzipped it, and everything's on our public HTML right now. So but if you come, this is our new link now. This is our new link, this one. But if you come here, if you try to load our link now, let's see what we have, because we have not created database and every other thing. Let's see what we have. Okay, so our front end is loading. So we have uploaded the very first thing we have to upload. The very first thing we have to upload, which is this. So the next thing we have to do is to connect our database. That's the next thing we have to do, to connect our database. Okay, let's leave this one to load here. So if you want, when you want to connect your database, the very first thing you do is to come here, click on, just search for this with this keyword. So what we are looking for is my SQL database wizard. So you click on it. Name of this is, let's say, DB. You copy it, you come here, you paste that same thing. Now for the password, this is just a very easy way to create database. For the password, you come here, you click, you copy the database name, which is also the username, then you come here, you create user. Now you can choose to keep this, and paste it. So you click on okay, so we have that already here. So let's use another name. Let's check what we have already. Let's see. I think there was an error there, so it shows like that. But let's see if that is okay. This needs a reload. Very good. So this is the database we just created. I did it before. Okay, that name that would just already exist on the website. So let's use something else. Let's use if you are creating for the first time on your cPanel, you might not encounter this, but I've created a lot of times, and I've also created with that name. So let's use app db for database. So let's copy this, put here and here, and create user. All right, so you click on all privileges, but you come here. First of all, let's clear this one. First thing you have to save is your password. Then come here, the username and database, you copy them and you save them also. So we'll come here and click on next step. Very good. Our database is ready. Next thing we have to do, once we get this page, the next thing we have to do is to go back to our cPanel main page. You click PHP also. You click PHP. So what we are looking for is phpMyAdmin. Click on phpMyAdmin. Then you look for the database you just created. What's the name of the database? This is the name of the database, app db. So let's look for app db. Okay, app db. This is the database you created, appdb. So that's appdb. So once you click on it, you see that it is empty. Once you click on it, it is empty. So you come here, you have to import your SQL file. This SQL file is also going to be coming with the script. When you have access to it, it comes with the script. Okay, so import has been successfully finished. So let's go back to our file manager right now. Let's go back to our file manager. So let's refresh this. Now let's come to include. We are coming to config here. Let's click on config. Let's see what we have. I'll come into config. Okay, so we are going to be connecting everything here, making sure everything is connected here before we can actually use our bank rightly. Now we are going to connect this. We are also going to connect the SMTP. We are going to integrate a live chat. We are going to change the logo. Yeah, so that you can be able to do this on your own, fully on your own. Yeah, so let's see. Let's clear this. We cleared the former links there. So let's come here. Let's copy our link now. You take this home.php out of it. Let's copy our link. We place this, put this there. Let's go. For that one, we have to create an email for it. So let's leave this as demo bank. The expert, okay, demo bank. You can fix your address here. Once you fix your address here, it shows here, it reflects here. Yeah, so you can fix your address there. Demo bank. So we also create an email for this part too. You can also fix your number here. Once you fix it, it appears here. Also, as you can see, the same thing here. So okay, let's change this. We have this link now. So the next part, which is this DB connect, is where to connect our database. So come here, the user, let's copy the username first. That's our database name. Now let's copy the password. Remember, the password was the first thing we pasted here. So let's copy the password. Very good. Now let's save this. Before we forget about this page, because the next thing we want to do now is the SMTP. Now before we forget about this page, let's first create our email. Can you search for everything you want to search here? Let's create our email. Okay, so when you want to create your email, for me I have multiple subdomains and add-on domains here, but you might have just one on your cPanel. So you just look for your the name there. When you have just one, you don't need to go through this. So let's look for what we are using now. This is what we are using. The email address, let's make it info. We'll come here, we generate the password. Let's leave the password. Let's generate this password. Okay, that's better. Create. So this is our email right now. Okay, we also have to do something again, but let's keep this here. The password you create for your email, you have to keep it for you to be able to get your SMTP. So let's come in. We are changing the password right now because we didn't keep the last one. So copy, we update email settings. So we have a new password now. We keep the new password. We paste it on our notepad so that you can be able to use it when you want to. So let's go back to our config page. Now we have our email, so let's fill our email up. Let's fill the space for the email. We have one here. There's another one here. Okay, that's done. Now everything on this page is set. You are done with this page. we are good to go right now. If you have done this, if you have done the first line, the second one to this place, we are good to go. So let's save this. Let's see what we have. Let's save this. Now, how do you set up your SMTP page? Yeah, you also go to include. Let me take you back to the main so that you can go this include. You also go to this include, the same place you connected your database from. You go to the user class and you edit, then click on edit again. Now, what is the SMTP? It's basically what sends your OTPs, your emails. For instance, on this bank, once you log in on this bank, it sends you a notification that your bank has been logged in from so place. Your bank has been logged in from a particular IP address. So what enables those emails to go through is your SMTP. So basically, what we are putting here is your email details and also your site details. So let's look for where our SMTP start from. So just scroll down. Okay, I think I'm scrolling to okay, let's find. Yeah, so you can just use this to find it. Arts player. So this is where you have to change all of these things from. So you come here, what that part is asking for is your site link. So we'll copy this as our site link, which is now. So paste it, replace that. Now come here also, email. So let's click on this email. This is where we need our email password. Now let's replace this. Now this is the password to the email. Now let's come here, let's copy our password. Yeah, so yeah, also where is the email coming from? What does your, when the email is sent, what does it show? So on this part, we also replace. On this part, we also replace. For this, let's make it demo bank. But here you put the name of your bank, the name you want to show on, as in the sender of the email, as who's the sender of the email. So this is where you put it. So you are good to go. That's all you have to do here. Once you can set it from here down to this place, you are good to go. So let's save that. We have covered creating database. We have uploaded our database. We have created our email for our SMTP. Now, how to integrate our live chats, how to change our logo, and also I'm going to be creating a logo with AI here. So you don't have to stress yourself when you want to change logos and everything. And also, if you don't know how to buy domain and hosting, that's how you get your cPanel. There'll be a video right now on the top of link on top of this video. Is a video I've done to show you how to get cheap hosting. So you can also get it and also choose to buy your hosting or anything at any price from the same place. The video is going to be showing at the top. The link is going to be showing at the top of the screen right now. So right now I've gotten a lot of people that ask me for things as simple as how to integrate a live chat. People charge for it, but now I've got people ask me that, and it's I want to cover it on this video so you know how to integrate a live chat to a page on your website. Now let's go to Tildo. For the config and the SMTP, we are done with it. It's working all well right now. So now for the live chat, let's go to Tildo. Let's see what we have. So you can come here and say create free account. So come here, your email. So let's use the same password. The website, so copy the website link from here. So let's get started. So very good. You can choose to name it anything here. Continue, put numbers here, maybe 3 or 10, or let's say 4. 4 is good. What's your okay? Let's click here first. Okay, we get orders, so you can put it here and continue. Not really necessary, but let's go and just quit warmly, then copy this JavaScript integration. You copy it, you continue. So you come here to your file manager. To your file manager. For instance, you want to integrate this now to this page, to this front page, so that when they come, they see your live chat. So you come here, where is the file manager? You come here to the file manager. So you come here to the index.php, or you just put it at the footer.php, which is better because it will affect everywhere on that front, on that landing page. So you come here, you paste what you copied from here, the Java, this one, you paste what you copied from here, so you could paste it there. So you are good to go. Once you paste it there on the footer.php, now let's reload our site. Let's see what we have. As you can see, our live chat is sitting very, very pretty here. So let's come to, let's say for the dashboard, let's log in to one of those accounts I've created, which we have done. But let's log in and let's see how we can integrate live chats to the dashboard. It's also the same thing. You can come to where's your file. This is the file manager. Let's go to app. Let's go to app. So user, sorry, let's go to user. Also look for your footer. Look for the layout. Layout is here. Look for the footer.php. You can also integrate it from here very easily. So you don't need to see it as a big deal. Start looking for someone to integrate for you. Integrate it here. You are good to go. You are good to go. So that's that for integrating of the JavaScript, or the integrating of the live chats. So let's look for, now I want to change this logo right now. This logo right here, I want to change it to a new logo. Maybe we'll put it app bank. Let's say app bank. So we can come to logo AI. I think that's the link. Let's see, logo.ai. Okay, I put aio.com. Very good. So we can come here and say, let's make a logo for anything at all you want to do. Let's make a logo. App bank. So the slogan is optional. The slogan is when you want to say best bank. best, but you can do without its best bank. So let's go. Cancel skip. Then let's look for the color of our bank. Let's see, let's do this randomly. I like this futuristic. So let's generate our logo. The good thing about it is that it doesn't just generate a logo for you. There's also an editor here that you can use to get your bank going. So let's look at our former logo. So we have a Yap bank here. So you can come here, change the color or something, because right now there's our bank. Yeah, our bank is like it's on blue, and every other thing written is on white, and so on and so forth. So you can change it to either this green color or this white color or something else. Yeah, so either the green color or the white color. So let's come here, let's see what we can do about that. Let's choose this app bank, best bank. Let's edit. Okay, I think I like this too. So let's change these ones to white. This gradient, let's change this to white. I think we're good to go. SMTP. So let's see what we have for our logo. You can either save it, or something, but I like to use my sniping tool. So let's do this. Okay, I'm not sure we get this well, but wait, let me do something else on here. Let me choose a different logo. It might not follow the colors there, but just for the sake of the tutorial, let's just add this gradient. Let's see what let's use this. So let's remove this one and save it. Now let's use our so after here, what you have to do next is to come to remove. So you don't have to go to Canva, start cracking your head on how to move things, how to design logo, and so on and so forth. So now you have to just remove the background. Yeah, you don't even need to have Photoshop or anything on your, just turn it to a PNG. So we got this wrong. Let's come here, pictures, Okay, so we have this here. So download, and it's there. So right now I have to size it properly. I like using Photopia for my sizing of logos and so on. So let's go. So let's make it a normal logo size. Can remove the other. Okay, so we have it. So we save it as PNG, export as PNG. So export, save. So now how do we replace this guy here with this, our new logo? So we'll copy the image address. We can close this tab right now. Copy the image address, we'll put it here. Yeah, so this is where your former logo is. That's this logo. This is where it is. Yeah, this is how you can trace it. You go to your public HTML, you go to the folder called new fonts, another folder called assets, another folder called img, then you see there. So for us to replace without stress, now what we want to do is to replace that logo with our own new logo. So we'll copy this logo white, the name, we'll copy it. So we already saved it as PNG, so there's no need for copying the PNG. So we'll come here, logo white. I think there is an issue with our logo white. The dots, there's no need for it. So come here, then we'll go to our C panel, our file manager. Let's look for it. Let's look for new fonts. I don't want to use that site so it doesn't confuse. Okay, new font. Let's look for new font, asset, img. Then let's look for our logo white. So these are logo white. There is no need to delete. We just come to upload. Go to our downloads where we. So it asks you, do you want to replace? You click on yes. Then we'll come here. So we'll see what we have here. Refresh, and see what we have. Alright, so let's wait for it to load up and let's see, or you can easily just check here. Yeah, and just reload here and see what we have. It's faster.